Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. Hey, if you're new here, it's totally free. Subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. And also, hey, I just want to say thanks to all my recently new subscribers. It means a lot. Also, if anybody would like to donate to the channel, PayPal, Cash App is in the description. Also, hey, if you want to get the channel memberships, it's $3 a month, and I'll show you guys my updated portfolio. Each position, you can see exactly how many tokens I'm holding. And also, we share ideas, and I'm always searching for new low cap gems, to show you guys, to the channel. I always like to, you know, the whenever there's a new utility project that's new, I like to show it to you guys, first, especially, the channel members. By the way, I will do a new video tonight, matter of fact, for the channel members. So definitely, hey, get the channel membership. Like I said, just $3 a month, and that's what I offer you guys. Do the best I can, to service you guys because I like to, drop at least about 3 videos a week, for the channel members. But anyways, let's get right on to it. So Bitcoin is holding at 60K, and Bitcoin is excuse me, and Ethereum is back up to 3,000, a little bit over 3,000. So the market is kind of recovering a little bit after the overnight crash, flash crash. Yesterday was weird. Yesterday it looked like the crypto market was getting ready to like, kind of like lift off a little bit. And then overnight we flash crashed, but this is like I said from my previous video, this is opportunity, definitely opportunity to pick up more, whatever position. I just want to say this thing, um, whatever position you're holding, whatever altcoin you're holding, you see that sea of red. This is definitely an opportunity to basically get your averages down. So whatever position you're in, now you can buy more for cheaper, but now you're slowly getting your average down. So when Bitcoin and ETH do decide to start pumping again, and altcoins start to pump, um, your money's gonna start multiplying. That's one thing I like about crypto. You buy the dips, and then when the market starts to take off again, you're multiplying your portfolio. And then the next flash crash we get, you won't be in the red as much because you've got your average down as the price was going down. So like I said, over this last week, I've been putting a nice amount in, dollar cost averaging, basically, getting my average down on the plays that I'm in now. But yeah, there's a lot of news. There's some news with Hong Kong, China with their spot Bitcoin ETFs. I want to go over that information. Okay, let me see here. Okay, it says Hong Kong Bitcoin Ether ETFs attract over 200 million on one day. Okay, like I said, the United States, man, they better hurry and get on board. Other countries they're already they're getting the crypto regulation going already. Um, Nobody's wasting time. Okay, so it says Hong Kong spot Bitcoin and Ether exchange traded funds ETFs have attracted more than 200 million in total assets on their April 30th debut. Okay, then it says according to data provided by Agram Intelligence, the Bazara Hashkey spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs have accumulated 964 Bitcoin, BTC, and 4,290 Ether, respectively, totaling uh, 71 million, excuse me, 71 904 million in assets under management. Meanwhile, Eric Balkanis, a senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg, revealed that spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs created by China AMC have amazed 123 uh, million 61,000, excuse me, 123 million 61,000 million. Oh, excuse me, I just had a brain fart. 123 million um, in combined assets. Okay, that's 123 million 61,000 in combined assets. Okay. Then it says ETFs created by China EMC. Okay, I just read that. Okay. So that's what's going on. So they got the all this outflowing of their ETFs. And then it says at the time of publication, the Hong Kong Stock Exchange has not updated the asset management data for the spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs of Harvest Global, the third ETF user. However, the combined turnover for these two ETFs has reached 23 million. Okay. The value of the assets solicited pales in comparison to the United States counterparts, where spot Bitcoin ETFs attracted nearly 4 billion in assets under management during their first week of debut, and 4.5 billion in volume on January 12th alone, the first day of trading on Wall Street. Okay, says we tried to warn everyone to lower expectations regarding Hong Kong. Commented Balkiness that said if you localize numbers, this was big. China AMC Bitcoin ETF took in 123 million on day one, which already ranked its sixth of 82 ETFs launched in the past 3 years. And Hong Kong and top 20% overall, he added. Okay. Meanwhile, HashQ wrote that importantly, non-Hong Kong nationals can also subscribe for or purchase units in the ETFs if they meet local regulatory requirements, okay, such as passing customer due diligence. In addition, Hong Kong crypto ETFs allow investors to subscribe for ETF units directly using BTC and ETH and vice versa, which is not available for US counterparts. Okay, let me see how much of it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and read the rest of it since it's not that long. According to an April 28th survey conducted by Hong Kong regulated crypto exchange OSL, 76.9% of crypto knowledgeable respondents in the city plan to invest in the Novo Spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs. Okay, the positive investor sentiment powerfully points to the growing acceptance and importance of digital assets in the region's economy, and Hong Kong is once again marking its place as the digital asset hub. Okay, I'm gonna read that again. Digital assets in the region's economy, and Hong Kong is once again marketing this place as a digital asset hub. So what does that tell you guys, man? Hong Kong and China, man, they're going all in. I told you, man, China's gonna be a crypto hub. So the United States, they better watch out. They better get on board whatever they're doing, because China's gonna be a crypto hub. There's no stopping it. Because you got to think, bro, China obviously is the biggest population on Earth. After then after that is India, right? But China, all those couple of few billion people is over there. They're going to become a crypto hub. So the United States, they better get on board with this. They understand this technology, this whole blockchain technology and all that. They understand that what's happening, with this whole community. So yeah. So let me see. He says commented commented OSL's executive director and head of the regulatory affairs, Gary Tu. Despite the enthusiasm, Hong Kong's crypto ETFs remain accessible only to the city's estimated 6.4 million adult residents. Mainland Chinese investors, whose numbers are north of 1 billion, are currently barred from accessing the Novo ETFs. Oh, okay, so the people on mainland China can't. Okay, so Hong Kong is an island. Okay, yeah, Hong Kong is actually an island, but it's part of China. I guess it's still part of China, even though I think Hong Kong is an island. But they're saying the mainland Chinese investors whose numbers of north 1 billion, they're currently barred from accessing the ETFs. Huh, interesting. So people in Hong Kong can do it, which is only what 6.4 million residents, which is for a city, 6.4 million people in the city. That's a big city. That's a lot of people. But you still got mainland China, which is over 1 billion people. You know, well, they're just counting investors. I think how many people's in China? What about? I think China has the total population for China is what 2 billion or something like that, 2.5 or 3 billion, because there's only about what 6.5 billion on people on the whole planet Earth, but the majority of the population is in China, which is I think is about um yeah, there's at least about between I'll just say there's about 3 billion people in China. I'll just say 3 billion. It could be more, but they're saying that but they're saying that the mainland Chinese investors whose numbers are north of 1 billion. So you got to think China alone, just their investors, their mainland investors in China is equal to about 1 billion. So you got to think their total population is at least about 3.5 to 4 billion, right? So you got to think, and there's about what 6 point something billion people on planet Earth, not including all the people that die every day. But you got to think every day in the world, new human beings are born every day. New babies are born every day. So yeah. Um, so yeah, there's over 6 billion on planet Earth. China alone has at least about, I think about 3.5 to 4 billion of those people is in China or something. I'm gonna have to. I could be off. I'm gonna have to look that up on Google. But it's at least 1 billion of those people are investors. So think about it, dude. And China got the ETLs. What do you guys think where Bitcoin is, where we going with this? You know? But yeah, unless they possesses a Hong Kong residence permit. Okay, so the people in mainland China that are investors, they have to get like I guess a permit to be able to get the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Because I guess the spot Bitcoin ETFs in China was really, it was only for the Hong Kong residents, but not the regular mainland China. So yeah, but either way it goes, that's still a lot of people. 6.4 million people in Hong Kong, and then there's at least a billion investors in China. So yeah, guys, that's you can see where we're going with this. So eventually, Bitcoin, it's gonna. And then I broke the news about Australia. My earlier video from earlier today, Australia, they approved their spot Bitcoin ETF. So yeah, guys. So these dips is a blessing when you think about it. This is, if you got the liquidity. I'm constantly getting my average down, man. I'm definitely getting my averages down with this new with these recent dips that we're getting. I'm definitely getting my averages down. So when we get our next major pump, my portfolio is going to it's going to multiply pretty good. And that's going to be a good time to take profits off the table and then wait for the market to flash crash again. And then boom. And then I have that extra liquidity on the side. Then guess what I can do? I can go ahead and get my average down again during the next flash crash. So there's, we just have to play this crypto market smart. I'm not perfect. There's no perfect crypto guru out there, but we just got to play it smart. What we do know in crypto, this is the best time to buy. This is the best time to get your average down and everything. But anyways, that was just my quick update on that. I don't want to be too long in this video. I'm getting ready to head out of here to the gym. But yeah, guys, that's my take what's going on with the market. Um, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, support the channel. I'm going to post a new video tonight for the channel members. Show you my recent updated portfolio because it's definitely changed over the last week. And I'm going to do a search. I'm going to search for some more gems. Um, you know what I'm going to do tonight? My plan, if I can get back home tonight, at least around at 10 o'clock. If I can get back home tonight, at least I could try to get back home around, yeah, around 10, between 10 and 10:30. We could probably go live for 30 minutes. I'll do a live. I'm gonna go ahead and go. I would say I'm going live, but I never end up doing it. But because I'm still gonna post a video. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna post a video tonight for the channel members. Then after that, I'm gonna go live for the regular members. See how many people. I know it's gonna be kind of late. I'm gonna just probably just go live for like 30 minutes. See how many people will come in there because I haven't went live in a while. And I always say I'm gonna go live, but I never actually get to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to go live tonight for about maybe, yeah, about 30 to 45 minutes, depending how many people come in there. And let's just talk crypto, man. Let's just talk about the market, man. And we can share ideas and see where this is going. But yeah, like I said, we're about 2 weeks out from the halving. So like I said before, I've already predicted um, by June. I believe between June and September is going to be big. It's going to be a lot of life-changing gains made in the market between September and June. That's just what I highly what I excuse me, between June and September. That's what I highly think. But anyways, guys, thanks everybody for tuning in. I'm getting ready to get out of here. Yeah, man, let's see what this happens over the next a couple of days. But anyways, yeah, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Hope everybody have a good Tuesday, and I will see everybody in the next one. Take it easy.